I'm John Marchieski here at the log cabin, and today we're going to be making catapults. And what you're going to need is 1 spoon, 5 popsicle sticks, and 6 rubber bands. So for the first part, you're going to take a popsicle stick and the spoon and put them together like that. And next, we're going to grab a rubber band and attach the popsicle stick to the spoon. Ooh. You gotta make sure it's tight so it stays there. Nice. And then you do another one at the bottom of the spoon. Sweet. And now the next part is we're gonna be making this little tiny axle or whatever it's called. Boom. And to make it, we're gonna do 1 rubber band on that end and 1 on the other. You gotta make sure it's tight so they don't really break apart. Sweet. And now the last part is we're gonna attach this popsicle spoon to this popsicle stick right at the end right there. You gotta make sure it's tight so they don't break apart. Ooh. Nice. And now we're gonna put the axle in between the 2 popsicle sticks. And now taking the last rubber band, we're gonna make sure that the axle stays in place by making the rubber band go across the 2. Boom. Here's some things you can launch using the catapult. A ping pong ball, a bean, a bottle cap, or anything you can find at home. You can use the catapult to launch objects at a target, like a bowl, a smaller bowl, a cup, or a paper target. The way you hold the catapult, you either want to hold it in the back with your pointer finger, like this, or you want to hold it in the front where the 2 popsicle sticks meet. This is how you launch it.
Ah, so close.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.